Come on, and welcome back to another Union Hardware DIY series. Today I've got Lynette and
Byron.
And today we're going to be showing you how we're going to transform our wall with Parker Roof Stoep Black.
To always give you something that is fun, worthwhile, and gives you more insight into how you do your painting.
Based on our first video, remember, first PPE. So let's get changed.
So we're now done with the first step, which is putting on our PPE. And now going on to the second step, which is the surface preparation. So the first thing that you do is you grab your brush, get some water. As you can notice, we are outside and our surface is wet. So you notice that we have done all the surface preparation which is necessary for us to go on with our painting.
Third step is filling up all the cracks. Make sure you grab yourself a crack filler and fill in all those tiny holes to give that seamless finish. As you can see, we've finished up filling all the holes and it's now looking a bit seamless. So now we move on to the next stage of paint application.
As you can see, we are now moving on to the painting, and I'm going to pour my paint in the black tray, and I'll be using a roller brush for the surfaces. And now I have my paint poured in the tray and my roller brush ready to go.
So for that seamless finish, we use a paintbrush for our edges and corners. Whew, that was a lot of work, but it was worth it. So we are done with this section of our wall and we're going to continue our painting process. Make sure you like, you subscribe and comment on our videos. Are they being helpful? Plus, you can shop online with Union Hardware. Visit our website and we also have got an agent that can assist you.
And don't forget to come and buy your Parker Roof Stoep for an absolutely perfect finish.
With Union Hardware, let's build together.